louder, we need the volume. Hands in the air, turn it up louder, we need the volume. Hands in the air, turn it up louder, we need the volume. Hands in the air.
Okay. Hello. This should be working properly. Let me just check if everything is okay. Just waiting for my return to work. Everything should be all right. Okay, I do have some sound. Have the chat. Yeah, we should be all good. There's this really annoying light right above me. Okay. Everything seems to be up and running. We'll start recording. And boom. Okay. Hello there, Lorenzo. Yes, everything is all right. Perfect. Thanks for telling me. Okay, let me set this up. Do not hesitate to tell me if the sound isn't all right or too loud or something. Okay. Everything seems to be up and running. OBS looks good, chat looks good. Return right there looks good. All right. Let's just switch those two frames so that I have the chat right there. In the meantime, can I ask you some questions about your works? Absolutely. Please go ahead. While you are writing those, I guess I will get started. Let me check if everything is up to pace with Instagram and Twitter. Okay, this is going nice. Hasn't worked in the Miranda with the technical stuff. It was really fun to work with Nicolo. Actually, that now is 2 years old. Actually, in 2020, he just reached out and wanted to do some work with me for my 3D and sound-related works. And the thing that is really nice about him is that he chooses people that love to do some particular stuff in general. So like, for example, me, it chose me for my 3D and sound experiences, and this is exactly what I love to do at the time, so it was actually perfect to work with the guy. It was just like a work that was done in a time crunch, with really a demanding client. That was the only stuff that was like tough about the job, but other than that, like, he trusted me on the technical aspect of the things. Like, if something went too far, like wasn't possible, I could just tell him, and like, he tried to push me a little bit, but it's just, yeah, he respected to work with me. He's pushy. He's a really demanding dude, but always respectful. How did he find you? So he found me through Twitter. Usually most of my clients are coming from Instagram. He found me on Twitter. Okay, I guess we can start right now. The only thing that I don't like is that it seems to be a little bit dark. Is it just me? Yeah, it's a little bit dark. Let me change the ISO and we'll work this out. Also, we have a few hours together. I have until 6, which is right now 2 hours and 45 minutes, which is all right. I'm going to get started by reading a little bit of this, and we'll see how this is going. I also have a few other scenes if we need to look at stuff online. For example, this coding scene right there for the moment is just my Spotify, but we will be able to use that later on. Let me just change the luminosity and see if we can do something about it. Okay. Let me try to do this. And if I do that, so this is this, and this is, way better. Okay. Boom, there we go. Is this better? It should be. It should be better. Okay, Lorenzo, I hope I answered your questions. And thanks for everyone who is on the stream right now. I see that there is a couple of people. This is always nice. For information, I will actually record this stream and then later on do a sort of highlight, if you wish, of that, trying to, have something a little bit more dynamic for different social media platforms. We'll see. I'm also really curious to see how this content will do on the vertical aspect of things for Instagram, TikTok, Twitter maybe? I don't know. Let's just get going. I just change the music over here for something that is a little bit more on the mood. Boom. I take this. Okay. I am putting some music in the background. Tell me if you hear it or if it's bothering to you. Other than that, let's just get freaking started. How do you do on WebGL and 3.js? Oof. Now this is a huge one. This is something that I always wanted to do. I just when I started to learn web development back in my first year after high school, I just looked at a few topics related to web development, and I found this thing called generative design. That wasn't related to web, it was more with processing. And I just found those 3D websites that looked freaking amazing. And one of my mentors at the time was one of his specialty, creating WebGL kind of stuff for that. And yeah, I just started by that, which was a mistake, by the way. I wanted to learn 3.js before learning JavaScript, which is not the right way to do it. But yeah, it was just, when I learned something, it was just project-based, so I tried to put a few goals with what I wanted to do, but it wasn't the right idea. Start with JavaScript and then go into different 3D libraries. So apparently in this kit, there is supposed to be a few tools. Where are those? Oh, this is the steel sheet. This is going to be what I print on. No, that was not Bruno Simon. No. I know Bruno. We exchanged a few times. But no, it wasn't him. Oh, this is the electronic. Yeah, this is the PSU. All right, this is important. Oh, I didn't know that actually. They give you some filament. I already bought one. I already bought a spool. It was black though. This one is silver. Yeah, there it is. Huh, interesting. Okay. So that's nice. I need the toolkit. Okay. Okay. Now this is amazing. In the kit, they provide little candy, and they explain to you, because I spoiled myself already, read a little bit of this user manual. They explain you in the user manual when to eat those, because you're going to need it. As you can see, this is quite the hefty manual. Kit includes this. Okay. I still need to find the tools. I do have tools, but I prefer to use the ones that are in the kit. Okay. Cables. Those are motors. Section garbage. Y-axis. Other axes. What will you do with this 3D printer? That is a nice question. I will answer it once I find this freaking toolkit that I cannot find. Is this it? No, fasteners. Okay. Plastic sheets. All right. And this looks to be the base plate. Yeah, this is the frame. Okay. There is no tools though. All the required tools are. Oh, these are required tools, not provided tools. Okay, my bad. I do have some tools though, so that's perfect. Well, at least, yeah, I got everything out of the box. This is going to be quite hefty. I think we're going to start by this, by the way. Okay. Cool. So candy, I will keep those right there. What will I do with this 3D printer? So, I am in a robotics engineering school, and we used a lot of 3D printing parts for various projects, or even like in class. And also, I always wanted to work for myself because all the stuff that I do is really software related, and I always wanted to go more into hardware related stuff. And what is more creative than a 3D printer in 3D? Not a lot of things. So yeah, starting with this, I will be able to build my little robotics workshop. Okay, label guide. All the boxes and bags, including parts of the build, are labeled. Amazing, I hope so. Numbers of the headers tell you which chapter you will need that bag for. Ooh! And this is the cheat sheet. And I guess with the actual dimensions. Fuck yeah, this is going to be really useful. Better not lose this one. Okay, boom. Make some space. And I keep this right there. Yeah, labels for reference. Most of the labels are 1-to-1 scale to identify parts, perfect. Oh, and there is a box of spares somewhere. Nice. Hi view, to help you, you can go to the guide on help.prusa3d.com. Let's do this. let's set this up. This is not the best way to put up a microphone, but at least we have a microphone. Let me go to Chrome, please. Okay. And it is what they said, help.prusa3d.com. help.prusa.3d. There you go. And if we go onto the coding scene, hell yeah. And Prusa knowledge base? Is that it? Okay. In French though. Nope. And you have the firmware, you have all of this, you have the assembly instructions. Amazing! Service manual, assembly instructions. Nice, so we have that in case something goes wrong. Let's go back here. And boom. I like to buy one. Do you recommend this model? So, actually, this particular model that I bought, let me just go back here, boom. Better. This particular that I bought was the one we used in the company I did an internship in Happily Robotics. If those guys are watching, by the way, hello to you. They had, I think, a few of those. They had at least one, that's for sure. And this is what they blindly recommended to me. And it's also in kit, meaning that you learn a lot by building this thing. So yeah, I don't know yet if I can recommend it because it's not set up yet. But some people said it was really finicky. Some other people said it was the freaking best. We'll just see. I think it's it looks good to me. We'll see. Which is the best framework to work with? What do you think of React.js? Oof, those are a lot of questions. I hope I will have time to actually build my 3D printer. So, let me answer your question while I look at a few of these. I will answer that right after I finish this page. When you browse the guy, no, you can original images of the thing. Okay, perfect. Most of the 3D parts, original Prusa MK3S, and there are versions A, B, C, D, and C. Okay. There are comments. Okay. As an instruction, you screws, let us know. Perfect. Pro tip, inserting the knots. Teach me how to insert the knots. 3D printing parts are very precise, however, there are still minor tolerances in the part. Therefore, what might happen is the knot won't fit easily. Let's see how to fix it. Knot won't fit in. Use the screws. Thread long. And use the entire length. Okay. That keeps falling out. Use a piece of tape to fix the knot temporarily in place. And use it. No. Okay. Every time you come in to use screw pulling technique. You remind those with Joe's avatar. Okay. Got it. React.js. I always was a Vue guy. This is how I learned. This is what I used in my very first company I worked at. And I don't know, I just really loved Vue.js. Currently, I have been switching to React. Asking me what framework I prefer is just like asking me what is my favorite flavor of ice cream. If it's vanilla to me, it might be chocolate to you. You are not wrong and I'm not wrong. It's just a preference. React.js, for the moment, there is a lot of similarities between React and Vue, obviously. For the moment, I love it. I really like it. I don't have any complaints about it. So, yeah. React.js, thumbs up, I guess. Okay. Really nice coffee. Important electronic projection. No. There's some tips relevant to damage your electronic. Keep your electronic inside the SD bag. Yeah. Always touch the keyboard, touching the chips, obviously. Be extra cautious in the room with the carpet. Yeah. Everything is wood in here, so it shouldn't be an issue. This is amazing. Reward yourself. This is what I explained to you when to eat the actual gummy bears. Building the MK3S Plus is a challenge unlike any others. And you should treat yourself for every milestone you reach. This is why a bag of Haribo bears is included. In big red types is written, the biggest issue from the previous builds, which was that we had addressed was inadequate bear consumption. Many of you didn't have enough bears for all chapters. Some even ate them all before they even started. Gonna try not to do this terrifying mistake. How to successfully finish the assembly. To successfully finish the assembly, please follow these. Always read the instruction at current step first. Yeah, and then do the thing. Yeah. Don't cut or trim unless you are told to. Okay? Don't follow pictures only. It's not enough to read an instruction as brief as you can read them. Read the comments from other users. Okay. Well, very first step. Y-axis. I'm just asking because most of the awards winners do not like it. Yeah, it's weird because React doesn't seem to be the preferred. Ooh, that was a voice crack. React doesn't seem to be the preferred framework for creatives on the web industry, and I don't really know why yet. Usually from what I saw is either plain HTML, CSS, JavaScript or Vue.js. Wait, when you say not like it, I think you are referring to React, and this is what I saw too. But yeah, wouldn't be able to explain why. Tools necessary for this chapter: pliers, screwdriver, and Allen keys. Little toolbox in here. Yeah, so I do have pliers. Those are not needle nose pliers, though. Should be all right, I guess. Let's hope so. Okay, so this is going to go here. You can go somewhere else. Oh, this looks amazing. Okay. Boom, hammer. I shouldn't need a hammer. Let's hope so. All the different bits in here, and I do have a Phillips on that one. If that one is too thick, I do have some other. I have a really small flathead screwdriver, and another Phillips in here. Okay. Shall we get started? Step 1, prepare the following parts on the YZ frame. Okay? Yeah, chapter 2, Y-axis. Let's open this up. Ooh. Oh, hell yeah. Fuck yeah. Is this chapter 2, they said, eh? Yeah. Those are the base plates. And there we go. Aluminium extrusions. Boom. And I need 4 of those. And boom. Yeah, this can go away. And this should be the frame that I need for the beginning. It's not written from what chapter though. Meh, should be the first one. There's only one frame. Another steel sheet. They gave me 2? Oh no, this is a TXT. Okay. Clean only with cold. Do not clean with acetone. Ooh. Okay. So this is the difference. All right. Okay, yeah. And this is big. Okay. And this is the big steel frame. Whew. I don't prefer... I don't refer to you. I don't like it that I'm a child. Does not give you the flexibility that you need. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see about that. I don't know because I even without testing React before, I don't know. Yeah, it feels like you don't have as much engineering freedom, sort of, to create whatever you want. There seems to be really clear rules, but I don't see what you cannot do with VR that you could do with Vue, if that makes any sense. Carl, hi from the beach in Croatia. Fuck yeah. Hi Carl, hope you're doing okay. Carl is a really, really close friend of mine. We were in Goblin together. Goblin, my second school after high school. Yeah, I should mention that because a lot of people don't know what Goblin School is. So yeah, was there with this dude. Amazing guy, by the way. So Carl, hello, hope you're doing okay, my guy. This is fucking huge, okay. Do I not need those? Doesn't look like it, so I'm going to keep this on the side. Okay. And this right there. Okay. And screws. Nope. Steel sheets, plastic parts, fasteners. I think this is that. Oof. This is for the LCD, okay? Extrude box. Isopropic alcohol, lubricant. Oh, there we go. Got it. So yeah, this is what I thought. They do provide tools. I have the Allen key and everything. Perfect. So you guys can go away. Okay, so I need the one from for chapter 2. So this is the spare parts. There you go. This is so nicely put together. This is impressive. Stick of glue. All right. But complaining. Free glue. Who doesn't want free glue? Water time. Stay hydrated, kids. For the ones who are online, please tell me if the sound still is okay. And I do have some music in the background. Tell me if you do hear it or if it's bothering you. Oh yeah. All right, all right. Okay. M5.16 screws. Those are, there you go. So those are the one with the rounded top. And I do have the cheat sheet over here. And M5, yeah, M516. M516, there they are. Yeah. Okay, I will need a container though, because I feel that I can lose some of those. And I don't like that. Oh, are those like the 16 ones? Those are every single screws? Looks like it. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Let's keep this close, like right there. I am going to fetch a container to keep every single one of the loose screws that I have. Just a sec. Oh my god, okay. This is already a fucking mess in here. Okay. On my phone your voice is crystal clear, but can't hear the background music. This is perfect actually, there is no background music like on the actual OBS thingy. So this is perfect. I just have it for myself because who knows. Yeah, and also just for recording, if I really need to add some, it would be right after. Shameless plug. family coffee company. This is what I'm going to use for my loose screws. And I do have a bunch of loose screws. M16 screws, there you go. Aluminium frame, aluminum extrusions. And the aluminum frame is placed like this. Oh, beautiful Prusa engraved aluminum frame. Oh, fuck yeah. And those are the screws, okay. Before you proceed further, please place the frame on a flat surface. This is crucial. Flat enough. Let's hope so. Step 3. Rifle access mounting longer extrusions. So those guys, you can go here. It's an aluminum extrusion frame, okay? Make sure the engraved Prusa logo on the top left and the safety sticker on the right are visible. They are. Note, screws are inserted from the opposite side of the frame. Yeah, seems to be logical. If you need to manipulate with the frame, make sure the extrusions are on the correct side. Okay. And those are on the second inside. So those should be, boom, right there. Yeah, okay. Let's get popping. May I have time send pics with you? Yes, Carl, will do. Boom. This can go away. Do I keep this? It feels stupid to keep little plastic containers from the screws. Lego time. Let me get the Allen key for that one. You will go away for the moment. Okay, can I just... There you go. This is way better. Okay. Allen keys. There you go. And the screwdriver. Well, let's get everything out. Oh, 3 pliers. This is amazing. There you go. There you go. And you. Boop. Perfect. We need my bin closer to me. Boom. Okay. Boom and boom and let's take you out. Allen key and I guess the thickest one? Yep, perfect. So let's first of all verify if this is the M16. It is. Okay, so we said inside portions. Oh, and the trouble is beginning. Okay. This is not screwing, oh my god. Okay. Okay, let's not panic right away. I hate you. There you go. So focused right now. Okay. That already was a challenge. Boom. Okay, let's loosely use that. This goes here. Oh, this is a way better technique. Boom. What did I say about tightness? Ensure you're using the correct holes and using the M5 screws to connect the extrusion to the frame. Tighten the screws with the Allen key just slightly. Okay? Just slightly. Boom. And boom. This is slightly. Should be slightly. I consider that slightly. I should put during the editing of this video a mistake counter. For the moment, this is literally the very first step, so if I do something wrong here, I don't know what is going to happen to me next. For the moment, everything seems to be okay. Okay. Perfect. Little tightening. Boom. Extrusion number 2. And I guess I can do it like this time. Oh yeah. There you go. 1. 2, 3, and 4. Boom. And boom. My God, I'm sweating in here. We do have AC, but for the moment it's at 27 degrees. I guess I'm going to turn it down a few degrees now. Slight tight here, there, here, and there. Feels solid. Next, take the shorter aluminum extrusions, aka those puppies. Short extrusion must be placed inside the Prusa logo of the frame. Okay, top left is not visible. Perfect. The screws are inserted from the opposite side of the frame. Yeah, do not limit the frame. Extrusion go inside. Okay. Ensure you're using the correct holes in the second picture. Same thing using the M5 16 screws to connect the extrusion. Now tighten the screw, but not on a diagonal. Oh, but on a diagonal. Yeah. Yeah. This is something that you should always do anyways. Tightening on the diagonal. Yeah. Okay. First one. One. 2. This is holding up, yeah. It's been a while since I actually built something in kit. I think must have been like everyone watching the stream, I think, or a good percentage of this video. IKEA furniture. Does it feel similar? For the moment, yes, because it's only screws. And I'm actually really scared of the electronic portions of this build. Looked at the pictures and seems rough. Seems really rough. But we'll see. If I break something, nah. I'm gonna be mad though. But hey, content. And we tighten this one. We go to the diagonal. Other than that, Joseph is going to be mad at me. Boom. Okay, this is not the best angle. Oh my goodness. This is entertaining to you watching the stream. I can't. Okay, there you go. And tight. And last one. Boom. Onto the second leg. And 4. Let's start with the easiest one. There you go. Okay. Yeah, it is getting really hot in here. I'm gonna lower down the AC after that. And there we go. Let's tighten the screws. One, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Step 1. Done. This was only what, 30 minutes? Okay. Next. Procedure second short extrusions. Okay. Y-axis final check. Before proceed further, let's make a final check. This is very important. Okay. To have extrusions on the correct side of the frame. Closer, logo on this side. The shorter on there. They should be spaced apart. I mean, looks good to me. Okay, there you go. Now we do have the frame separations. Where did I put those? Okay, this is already a nightmare. Where are they? Oh no, I put them in the... Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, I should keep those boxes with me. So, have those two parts, like this to be exact. And we have PSU holders. This is new. This is very new. Where are the PSU holders? Are the PSU holders like big? Oh no, they seems to be, okay. Oh, there we go. Those are the small pieces. Okay. M3 and E, okay. Yeah. One. And 2. Front plate, rear plate, M16 screws, PSU holders. Perfect. Okay. This is supposed to be like this. Is that the case? Yes, it is. And once again, we insert the screws and we tighten them on a diagonal pattern. See the second picture? As soon as you finish the first, tighten the second pad. Okay, yeah. Now we're on a roll. It's just easy at this point. I think that I'm getting way too cocky. Okay. One here, one there. And boom. My back is already hurting. This is terrible. What time is it? Already 4. Nice. And boom. And I'm so excited to have this printer up and running. This is going to be insane. I do have a few ID projects and also like just in this company. So to give you a little bit more context, I guess, because like you don't know where I am right now. I am not in a wood cabin. This is a big building. Actually, I don't know. Can you hear the echo? I wonder. I think you don't with this mic. Maybe a little bit. Whatever. So this is the brand new office building of my family company that my parents founded back in 1996. Well, 1996 was the original company. So like this is a sub-part of the whatever. And they just finished building this brand new building. And they are just starting to move in, and there is a lot of space right now. So they were like, instead of working from home, why don't you take this space up there and do this? And also, this is like vacation time for a lot of employees, so I can speak how loud I want without bothering anyone, which is perfect. Okay. Let's tight those in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I hope I'm not tightening too much. Doesn't look like it. It is tight. It's not like impact screwdriver tight. And then for this one, okay. There I need to put the PSU holders. It seems to be just like that. And the two are on this side. Oh. That was obviously the wrong side. Okay. Take the WASI and rotate it on the shorter end of the extrusions towards you. Yeah. Place the PSU holders in the extrusion using the side suggestion. Ensure this is the correct extrusion. See pictures. Yeah. Both of the holders goes only of the extrusion. The exact spacing of the PSU holders doesn't matter. We'll adjust them later. Perfect. And then we put this. All right. Shots? I'm down for shots. Yeah, obviously I am. Hi, Selena. Goodness gracious me. Okay, there you go. There it is. It is on the right side. Yes, it is. Got scared for a second. This is a lot of screwing. A lot of screwing. But I am almost out of screws, which is nice. This means that I am almost done with this very first part. Slowly but surely, baby. I almost didn't set up a chat that you can see like on the actual stream. I think this is the best idea because also at the moment I don't have moderators. And if anything goes wrong, I would prefer that to stay on the actual YouTube chat and not on the actual video itself. Yeah. Do not hesitate, by the way, if you have any suggestions in terms of voice volume or whatever. There you go. Almost done for this set of screws. My forearms are going to get really tired from this. I can already feel it. Ooh, that one is tighter. Way tighter. What? Mute? Okay. Can you guys hear me? What do you mean mute? There is sound? Yeah. Yeah, this is what I thought, eh? Quarter tight. Quarter. Huh. Next step is going to be interesting. Looks like it, at least. A joke that went far over your head. I think I would have got the joke, but like there is actually like a little bit of latency between me saying stuff and you receiving the actual voice. But hey, at least you tried. Was cringe though. Okay. Tight here. Tight there. And finally, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is a finished bass. Oh, wonderful, stable, just like me. Just kidding. Must be the least stable guy in this office right now. I'm also alone, so makes sense to me. T, I know. Water time, stay hydrated, kids. You already know that. Oh, goodness. Okay, step 11. No, this step is optional for now. We recommend mounting the feet now to protect the surface of your table. T. However, you need to lift the frame up before each turn. I'm simply reminding you to have the abrasive feet. Now we put them on now. Yeah, seems to be the right idea. Where is my pod thingy? Okay. Foot. 4. There you go. Those are some nice feet. Ooh. This one's rugged. One. This one's making love with a steel part. 2. 3 and 4. There you go. Turn the YZ frame on the side, insert a vibration foot. Insert them 90 degrees to the lock, for them to lock in place. Okay. And this is what they are. All right. This feels wrong. So they say like this and turn them 90 degrees. Ooh. This is a tight fit. I like it. 90 degrees, boom. Really nice. Boom, 90 degrees, and boom. And the last one. Oh, so fucking stable. Akilen Kukumombo, this is French for saying, hi, fellow human. Akilen, I hope you are doing great. My guy is on vacation too. I am the only one working at this time of the year. Well, working, this is a big word. I am mounting a freaking 3D printer in front of fucking strangers. Doesn't feel like working to me. Okay, repeat this process for all feet. Yeah. Oh, place them 2 to 3 centimeters from the end of each extrusion. I didn't do that. 2 to 3-ish. Yeah. And it's not 2 to 3-ish. On the instructions, eh? Joseph. Joseph, Joseph, Joseph. Boom. And boom. Yeah, good enough. There you go. Preparing the Y belt idler. Okay. I need plastic parts. And that, I know, is in this box. Plastic parts. Extruders. Huh. There you go. Step 2, Y-axes. Those look so good. Okay. Y belt and Y belt idler. C1. Yeah. Looks like it. Yeah. There you go. Okay, M3 18 screws. These are the long flathead. Do I need the belt yet? I don't. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, and the fastener is in there, as well as the... Yeah. Okay. Almost. Yeah. I will need the cheat sheet for that one. So I have this, and I please follow the instruction. Yeah, okay. M318, M310, et M3NN nylock knot. Are those in here? That happened. Okay. First mistake. There we go. I've lost a bunch of things here. I am sure of that. Well, let's hope not too much. Yep, I did a big, big mistake. I know it for a fact. I'm just going to verify under the desk very quickly. Okay. Oh, I know I lost a bunch. Okay. Do you see anything up there? No. In here, nothing but spiders. Shouldn't have went too far. I hope. We can just pray at this point. So let's pray. M318. M318, they are. I see M316B, M318, there you go. M318. Nope. But this is the 10. Okay, M310. Here. And I need only one, M318. Nope, this is for later. Oh, this is the M318, eh? Is this it? Yep. Boom. I need two. My God, this is a nightmare to find. Is that it? Looks like it. Okay. I have the screws, now I need the nuts. The lock one is that one? Yep. Oh, and how do I know if the nuts are the right one? M3M nuts. Yeah, one, and I need the second one. There you go. Two. Okay. I am going to lose one. This is a fact. I know it for a fact. I am going to lose one. For sure. Those are so small. White bait idler. Perfect. Oh, the nylon part. Why do I call it nylon? Nylock. Yeah. This is the 18, eh? Yeah. Okay. These nuts, baby. Yeah, Sylvain. Thank you. I need. Okay. So take the Y belt handler. This puppy right there. Also, Sylvain, I hope you are doing good. Insert two M3N nuts from the top. Turn the idler on the side and insert the M3N nylon nut. The rubber inside the nut must be facing towards you. Okay. So this goes in here. Okay, so this is the moment where the nut doesn't fit. Yeah, the nut doesn't fit. So we're going to see that in a minute. And how am I sure this is on the right side? In case you can't press the nuts in, don't use excessive force. Take M3 screw thread. What? Or the fainted part. Tighten the screws. Oh! Interesting. Okay. This seems to be the right orientation. I'm not sure though. Let's pray again. This is the only thing I can do. Okay, nightmare begins. Okay, I'm going to do that, I guess. Did they insert the thing yet? No. And they said the rubber parts. All good, mate. Cheers. Cheers to you, mate. Sylvain, once again, amazing person, was a colleague for a while now. For a while now. No, was a colleague. And he was a colleague for a while. I guess, tell me if I'm wrong, if he was still here too. A year and a half? Something like that? Brilliant guy. Amazing dude as well. Okay, well, this doesn't work. Oof. Ooh, this is tight. This is tight. But I can use force, eh? I can. Okay. I'm going to go slow. And I'm going to be okay. Oh. This seems to be a good one. Okay. Yeah. Do I use a hammer? No, I'm going to break it. No, come on. I am aligned now. Yeah. Okay, no, this... Oh my god, the anxiety. Please! Okay, they said when this happens, there is supposed to be a little Joseph icon that you can see, well, sort of see, it's really small for you right there. And this refers to something that is at the very beginning of the user manual, which is here. 3D printed parts are very precise. However, there still might be a tolerance in the printed part, and some goes for the size of the nuts. Nut won't fit in. Use a screw with a thread along its entire length, typically M310 or M318. Okay? And screw it from the opposite side of the opening. While tightening the screw, the nut will be pulled in. Remove the screw afterwards. I hope I will not do a mistake doing this. But we'll see. My anxiety is kicking in. Yeah. Ooh, those are nice fit though. Okay, well, let's try. Okay, but the thing is though, this doesn't fit. What? And this obviously isn't the right side. Okay. This is gonna take a long time. Does this fit? Yes, it does. Okay. I'm going to go slowly. Boom. This is pushed through now. I cannot go back. And this is supposed to go here. Yeah. I know this is the right size nut. I know that. There is no way around it. And now if I screw, this is supposed to pull in the nut. No, it doesn't. Oh my god, okay. No. Okay. Stay here. There you go. It's starting. Please let me not break a 3D part right away. Please. Those feel really solid. Please, does this work? Doesn't feel like it's working. Goodness gracious me. No. Okay, I am sorry, I am going to use force. I am. First of all, I need to take this out. Yeah. Okay. Please don't tell Joseph. But yeah, very first screw I am putting in, and it doesn't work. I'm going to try one last time without the screw in to push it through. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not working. It's not working. Am I sure it is the right nut though? Yes, it is. There is no other. Oh my god. Wait. Finally. Goodness. Oh my god. You will kill me, Joseph. You will. Okay, make sure all 3 nuts are in all the way. Oh, they are. Oh, this one isn't actually. Okay, but for that, yeah, you need to do the Joseph icon switcheroo. That is putting the screw all the way in, and it will provide support to bring the screw inside the actual hole. Okay, this is Linus drop tips at this point. Okay. Okay, this is all the way in, right? Yeah. It's not bending. And then untighten it. We are going to be here for a long time. Okay. We took 15 minutes for this single step. And I'm really worried that I already lost a few parts. Yeah. Okay. Insert the prepared bearing in the Y-belt idler. Bearing housing orientation doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. Secure the bearing with the M3 screw. Don't fully tighten the screw. Okay. Will do, Joseph. Come here. There you go. You didn't talk about any washers or anything. Place something on the bearing, ensure it can rotate freely. If needed, adjust the screw. Okay? I don't really know how to be sure that this is enough or not in terms of tightness. Yeah? Okay? No, and then it cannot. Okay. So untighten the thing. Whew. Rotate the frame with the longer extrusion towards you. This is here. Take the white belt idler and place it on the front plate. Note there is a mark, circle. Where is the mark? On the printed part facing up. Oh, true. Interesting. Okay. Secure the white belt idler with the M310s, so those. Tighten the screws until the printed part reaches the surface of the plate. Okay? Oh, this is threaded as well. Okay, the aluminium part is threaded itself. Okay, 1 screw, 2 screws. I really hope I didn't lose anything, oh my god. Oh, this is not threaded, okay. Is this going? Okay. Boom. Feels good to me. Step 16. Y-axis motor. I have a bunch of notifications. This is making me really uncomfortable. Okay, boom, boom, boom. I am getting tired. Not gonna lie, I'm getting tired. Boom and boom. Okay. Ooh. I had a little reminder to tweet at 4, and I already did, so that's perfect. Okay, so I need 2 things. Y-axis motor. Finally, we can look at the motors. Motor kit. Look at it. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, it's written Y-axis on it. Makes sense to me. Nope. Y-axis. This is the only one, eh? Yeah. Okay. That Y motor holder is supposed to be only one, eh? Yeah. That's the case. And M310 screws, and I need 4 of them, and the M3N nuts. Okay. So we go back in here. Let's do it this way. We're going to take this and go like that. Oh, they signed it. I didn't see that. Okay. So M310s. How many do I need? 4. That's 1. That's 2. 3 and 4. And I need how many? 2 nuts. 1 and 2. Okay. Perfect. Ensure you're using the correct motor. Y-axis? Y-axis. Perfect. Those are thick motors. So you want to insert the M3N screws in it. In case you can press the nuts in, do not use excessive force. Okay, yeah, this is the same thing. Okay. Okay. Are we in nuts hell again? Looks like we are. That one fits perfectly. The other one is another story. This is not perfect. This is far from being perfect. Is it blocked? No way. No way in hell. Yes, way in hell. Goodness. Can I screw it in? Yes, I can. I'll take this and take it out. There you go. Oh, this was a nice technique. I don't have particularly big fingers, but it feels like it today. There you go. No, I don't. Okay, but I need to... Goodness. Put them all the way. Boom. Oh, careful. Perfect. And I take the motor, wires right there. Yeah. Take the wide motor holder, put in the nuts, place the wide motor holder on the motor, ensure the correct orientation is the picture, use the motor cables. This is what I did. Using the two M310 screws, yeah. Screw and tighten the holder and motor together. Will do. Okay. Oh, I hate you. Did they thread the freaking 3D printed part? No, there is no way. There is no way. I don't want to force it too much though. I already used force way too much, I think. Is this screwing in? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's going. What time is it? Okay, 4:36, perfect. We've been streaming for 1 hour and 30 minutes almost. Did we do any progress? Looks like it. Ooh, this is tight. Yep. Yep. Take the wire motor holder and place it on the rear plate. Short extrusions. Ensure the correct orientation of the motor shaft must be facing toward the aluminum extrusion with the PSU. Okay. So something along those lines, eh? These are all using the two M3. Okay. This is 1, and this is 2. Oh my god, okay. My fingers are getting really tired from all this. Amazing. This is so solid. Goodness. Okay. Next. Why carriage? Linear bearing. Bearing clip. Okay. I will start with the locks. I need 6 locking screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it appears to be all of them. Good thing. Whoa. Is this a part? I don't think so. Steel shavings. Why not? M312 screws. Victor, hello there. How you doing, my guy? On vacation, I presume. M312. Oof. This is M310, M312. Yeah. I need how many of those? 6. The difference between M310 and M312 is very minimal. So I hope I didn't do any mistakes and chose an M312 instead of an M310 right before that. So this is 2, 3, 4, no, this is a 10, this is a 10 too. Okay. I will need to sort those out. This will help me later in the future. So for the moment, this is all M310s. I'm missing 2 M312s. Oh my god, I think I did a mistake. It looks like I did a mistake. Oh no. Well, doesn't look like I have been going too far in this manual, so if I need to go back and get a few other screws, it's okay. Yeah, these are all M310s, oh my god. Where are the 12s? I promised myself that this build would go so smoothly, and yet here we are, counting up screws. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to tell you I fucked up somewhere. Yeah, and these look really long. Let's see. Croche pour le montage. Thank you, Victor. I will need it because it appears to be that I already did a mistake. Let's just see. No, those ones seem to be flush, and those ones seems to stick out a little bit. At least we are learning for later steps, we are going to actually use the cheat sheet for every single screws. So let's see, is this a 12? Yeah. And this is a 12. This is a 12 too. It is. Goodness. First big mistake. Well, second. Dropping the screws was already a mistake. Felix, oh no. Come here. No, it's just some mistakes. Yes, boss. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But look at the fucking difference. There is literally 3 millimeters of differences. Like, how did I know? Rough. Yeah, I know. I know. I know. And also, just to tell you, boss, you missed something. I think you can come back in the stream, go back in the stream, sorry. When I took out the hardware pouch for this particular step, for step 2, I put it all in this little cup, and I was looking at different parts like this, like swishing it in. As you can guess, it a little bit too hard. Everything spilled on the floor, and I don't know yet if I lost something. Well, actually, I can verify that right now, eh? No, I can't. Too bad. Boom, and boom. So I should have 6 M312s. They're all here, perfect. 6 M312, 6 locks like that, and 6 normal nuts. Did I put those somewhere else? Okay. Okay. Let's do it in order. Yeah, I know. Funny. Y-axis carriage. Definitely not to DIY with all the screws. Yeah. Yeah. Y-axis carriage. There it is. That is done. Linear bearings. I need 3. Linear bearings, they are here. One, 2, and 3. Okay. Next, bearing clip 3. All 3 are here. 1, 2, and 3. Boom. M3N and nylock nuts. 6 of them. Here they are. And M312 screws. 6 of them. Here they are. Perfect. Okay. The printer's package contains a lubricant. Is intended for maintenance. No need to use it now on the bearings that are lubricated. Okay, perfect. I like my bearings lubricated. There is a dedicated manual on how to clean the printer's appliance and the lubricant. Okay, perfect. Next. Correct orientation. When placing the bearings onto the Y carriage, make sure they are oriented as shown in both pictures. I don't understand. The incorrect orientation. Avoid placing the bearing like the last picture. Disorientation with a single row of balls in the center. Oh, okay, got it. Okay. So I thought orientation like the other part of the orientation, whatever. Scissors. There we go. So this can go somewhere else for now. Boom. And this can come here. Oh, those are lubricated. Okay. Oof. Yeah. Do I have paper towels? I do. Gregory, hi to you, my guy. Hope you are doing great on this wonderful, wonderful Tuesday. Are we Tuesday? Don't even know. Yes, we are. Come on. Yes, obviously we are. Okay, so the lining of balls. Yeah, so that it is balanced, I guess. So this isn't the right orientation, this needs to be turned so that, yeah, there you go. So this is one place. Yeah, they are really lubricated. I need to be careful with that. Oh my god, it smells so strong, this lubricant. Whew. Boom. I take the balls and put them right here. Yeah. Finally, that last one goes in here. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Oof. Okay, this will not be nice to do. So I need to place this with the 12s. Just like that. So I guess those can go away because I will need to place those one by one. We are Friday, Mary. It's Friday. Yes, we are. Obviously, we are. Is this okay? This doesn't feel okay. Instead of the bearing in the cutout, place the bearing clip cover over the bearing. Yeah, insert the M312 screws into the holes in the bearing clip. Hold by securing the fingers by the head of both screws in a right carriage. Place the nylock nuts on both screws. Use the 1.5mm Allen key and ply it to tighten the nuts. Repeat these. Fold the bearings. Okay? I need to press you in. Something feels really wrong about that. Something feels terribly wrong about that. There doesn't seem to be any orientation. Yeah? Huh. Okay, yeah, it feels bad to put it this way. Am I aligned? Yes, I am. Okay, let me take those out just to see if I did any mistakes. Obviously, this is the wrong Allen key. Now my fingers are all lubricated. Amazing. Don't quote me on that one. Okay, this is supposed to be this way. And can you go in without any trouble? Yes, you can. Okay, so I guess we start first with the screws, and then we put it in. Does this make sense? Oh yeah, yes it does. Yes it does. Okay, nice. Then I need to align those properly. And then, okay. This feels so wrong. So wrong. Well, I was trying to first put the cover on the bearing and then insert the nuts, but the bearing itself was not allowing me to put this in, so I needed to first put in the thing, but I figured it out, Felix. I am wondering if right now, and I guess it's the case, you are cringing very much. Yeah. For all the guys in chat for a little bit more, if I can say, context, Felix was in Happily, was actually the guy who suggested me to buy this 3D printer. One of the few guys who told me to do that. And I am wondering if right now he's cringing at my, how can I call those? Building capabilities. Am I still aligned? Yeah, yes I am. So I'm going to do something really sketchy. So is this a 24-hour live? Good luck, Marius. Thank you, Omar. Thank you very much. It's not. It's obviously not. I can already feel my soul leaving my body. Actually building this freaking thing. Okay. Oh my god, this is tough. Okay, so I guess I'm just going to go this way and that way. And tighten just like that. Okay. This is going to take some time. 2 weeks. Yeah, this is actually a subathon. Yes, it is. Oh my god. Okay. I'm violating those nuts. I hope I'm not tightening too much. Ah, okay. Yeah. Oh, this feels so bad. My god, can you? Okay. I think I'm going to wash my hands soon. Yes, cringy. Visit your organs with those screws. Come on, can you at least provide me a little bit of support? Like I need it. My goodness. Am I still aligned? Yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay. Boom, and finally. Oh my god. Okay, please. Good luck. Thank you, Gregory. Merci, Greg. Okay. This seems okay. My god. Okay, next one. 2 more to go, I promise. This is almost over. How many steps do I need to do before finishing step 1? Oh, there's a few pages. Goodness gracious me. Okay. 1 screw, 2 screws. Am I still aligned? Almost. Yeah, there you go. Should take a gummy bear after those bearings. No! I promised to... I took a vow to actually only listen when I need to take a gummy bear. And I am going to stand by that rule. Like Joseph himself wrote it on my user manual. Obviously not true. To only take the gummy bears after they allow you to do so on the kit. Do you have a set amount of hours planned to work today? Or are you just going to till you pass out from exhaustion? We are going to see. We are going to see. No, actually, I have a freelance call at 6, so in approximately an hour, I will stop. And also, I can already feel that I'm doing some mistakes from how tired I am. So, yeah, I better be careful with this. Okay, tightening now. Then finish the bag on the first step. I could finish the gummy bear bag on the first step. For the new ones who are here, so I'm building this study printer, and it's coming in a kit. And they provided gummy bears inside the kit, and they tell you in the user manual exactly how many and when to eat those, because you do need the sugars to go along with this freaking nightmare process. And it's terrible. Okay, see, I will drop this at some point. I know it. Okay, this is going better than the first bearing, though. I have to say that at least. And I am still aligned? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Goodness, okay. Almost done with the screw, and we'll be able to do the last bearing. Fuck, okay. Good enough, I would say. Not even really, but looks good enough to me. All right, sue me. And then this goes right there. Yeah. Okay. My God, my fingers are all lubricated. This is not going to be the best idea to screw things in. Okay. I'm already so exhausted, my goodness. I'm gonna go to bed so early tonight, I can feel it. I thought this would take me like very max like 3 days, but if I only work on that on the afternoons, it looks more like a week to me. Can you please go in? Thank you. Okay. Boom. Take those nuts. Cannot wait to see the replay and like see the downfall on my face as this gets along. Okay, I cannot do. Okay. I hope this is entertaining to you guys, because to me it is terrible trying to hold those tiny, tiny, tiny nuts with the lubricated fingers. Goodness. Okay, am I still aligned? Yeah. Oh my God. If you are a proud Prusa holder, my God, owner, goodness gracious me, and you are judging me right now, please stop. This is not helping one bit, and I don't like it. I am alone in here talking to a camera, trying to tighten freaking lubricated nuts in my gigantic fingers. Almost there, please. This is by far the worst step since we started. Ah, okay. Yes, I did that, Mel. Thanks for reminding everyone. Okay. Yes, Felix, that happened. You weren't here, and I was hoping that you weren't there, but now you know. Now you know. Okay, I just need like one last tightening of everything. What did they talk about in terms of tightening? And so roll by your fingers and head the screws. Place the nylon runner, use to firm the Allen key. Repeat this step for the remaining bearing. Huh. There is no indication of in terms of tightness. It is bound to happen again. Sorry, Marius. Okay, did it happen to you, though, Felix, while building that one? I don't know if you remember, because I guess your Prusa is somehow old. Did this happen to you? Okay. And I'm assuming, yeah, that Felix, you were the one building it for Hapley. Okay. Oh, this one wasn't tight at all. Oh my god, the noises. Okay, and finally, don't squish. No, I did not have the slippery fingers. Don't squish what? Please tell me. The pliers or how tight it is? I'm not tightening that much. The nuts are intact. Well, they look intact. Well, I guess the next step is to insert the actual axles themselves. So we're going to see if I did any huge mistakes. Inserting the smooth rods. Let's insert the smooth rods, shall we? Where are the smooth rods? Did someone see the smooth rods? Not squish the bearing. I didn't. Oh my god. Okay, you're making me self-conscious about my bearing squishiness. Okay, whatever. Where are they? Is this it? Looks like it. You keep it barely loose. I didn't do that. Should I untighten them? Okay, axles. Huh. Cable management equipment. I like it. Searching for the smooth rods. Yep, that's me. Okay. Take all the smooth rods and compare their lengths. This is not me. This is what is written. This is you. This is a you problem. So take all the smooth rods and compare their length. For the Y carriage, you need the mid-sized, goodness, my English, rods. Okay, so if I look at this like that, so we agree, mid-sized, tall, small, the mid are those two ones. Oh, this is hefty. I like it. Boom. Okay. My God, I need mental support. I need it. Now that I have my smooth rods, what do I do with them? Please be very careful. Gently Gently insert the rod straight into the bearings. Do not apply too much force and do not tilt the rod. Okay. Gonna try. So, very smoothly. Seems to be a crucial step. Please. Okay. There we go. Oh, emergency. Just a second. Okay. Rods inserted. Feels good back and forth. I mean, it feels smooth and lubricated. So yeah, feels good enough to me. Boom, there you go. Yeah, it feels good. Yeah, feels okay to me. In case you manage to push out balls from the bearings, whoa, please count them. 1 or 2 balls are okay. If there are more than them, please consider ordering new bearings. Didn't happen, so should be alright. Should be alright. Let me just verify something on the stream because I can see on the preview. Okay. That should be alright. Okay. Cool. Next, step 23. Okay, I promise this is written. Smooth rods holder. So for that, I need rye rod holder. I need 4 of those. What do they look like? Is this it? Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. I need 12 M10 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? And 12 M3S's. Those are those ones. Okay, so those are the nuts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get away from me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. No parts were lost yet. So even when I spilled everything on the floor, I somehow managed to get everything, which is amazing news to me. Step 24. Take one of the rye rod holders and insert the 2 M3 and S nuts. Make sure you've pressed the nuts all the way in. You can use pliers, goodness gracious me. But be careful, you can damage the printed part. In case you can't press the nuts all the way in, do you use excessive force? First check that there isn't any obstacle in the nut trap. The nut trap? I like myself a good nut trap. Insert the FPS nuts inside a Y holder. Okay, ensure the adjustment alignment of each nut within 2 millimeters of the Allen key. What? Ensure and adjust the alignment of each nut with the 2 millimeter Allen key. How do I know which one is the 2 millimeter one? I guess it's the one that goes through, eh? Does it go through? Nope. So I guess this is the smaller one. Oh, come on. Butterfingers. Goodness. Does this go through? Yes, it does. Okay. Repeat this step for the remaining Y rod holder. This part actually isn't the cleanest one ever. I'm not gonna lie to you. So does this have an orientation? Doesn't look like it. Okay, first one in. Looks like I really need to use force. And I'm really scared of that. Okay. Is this the right way of doing this? Okay, and they suggest to press in with the pliers using this method in the hole here and pressing there. This doesn't feel right at all. Like at all. Not at all. I'm going to break something, I can feel it. This would be really entertaining, I agree. But I don't want to wait 3 weeks for a 3D printed part to show up. Okay, let's try with another piece. I will try to find one that fits correctly so that I can just like feel how it's supposed to look like. Now, oh, there you go. Okay, this one feels great. This one feels amazing. And then I take that one and verify your alignment. Perfect. This is one. And this is two. This is really tight. This is really, really tight. Do I start to regret to buy this in kit? Because yeah, you can buy this already assembled. Did I do a mistake? Doesn't feel like it for the moment, but I wouldn't be surprised if it did in a few hours. Okay, so it does work. So this is supposed to work. Careful. There you go. Okay. So yeah, a little bit of force needs to be engaged. God. Okay, this hurts. This hurts very much. I'm sweating. Please. Yeah, this part looks damaged. I wonder what this is. Felix, if you break something, cyano glue, crazy glue, okay, we get you out of trouble for any 3D printed parts. Interesting. By the way, Felix, while you are still here, are those ABS or PLA parts? Do you know? Was wondering. I think it would make sense that they are ABS for temperature management. Would make sense. I don't know. Okay. 2 out of 2. Didn't break anything. Let's continue. Oh, that one felt perfect. Alignment isn't the best though. Yeah. I need to wash my hands so bad. So lubricated. I have smooth rods, lubricant, all over my fingers. And I don't like it. Is this aligned? Not quite. I'm really scared of breaking anything. Okay, 3 and the last one. The last one? Why do I need more? Yeah, okay, and the last one. Let's just trust the process. Oh, very smooth. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Yes, please. Done. Am I almost done? Please tell me I'm almost done. 3 pages. Okay. Place the Y carriage flat surface on the table with the bearings facing up. Yes. Push the right rod placeholders. Push the right rod holder on the rod. Align the surface. Align the front surface of the plastic part with the flat surface of the rod. And the hole should be facing inside. Are those symmetrical? Yes, they are. Okay. So this needs to be flush. Not PLA for sure, yeah. ASA most probably. But if you search with no, smell it. You need to know if it's ABS. Really? What is ABS supposed to smell like? Okay, can you please go in? Oof. This doesn't feel great. Flush enough. How do I know how flush it needs to be? Check the correct position of the Y holder. The screw hole must be facing up. Yeah, on the inside of the Y carriage. Yeah, okay. Repeat these steps for all the Y holders. Fuck. Like ABS. Thank you, Felix. I exactly know what ABS smells like. Yes. Last one. Still feels smooth. Place the Y carriage, including the smooth rods of the structure. Place the Z frame. Make sure that the 2 bearings are on the left side. See picture. Okay. This is starting to look like something. Okay, and they said this way. I guess like this and like that. Yeah, it makes sense. It does make sense. Okay, the 2 bearings on the left, on the long side, yeah? And I take the M310s, those are here, and screw the holes in each one and tighten it. Take the second pair of the right rods and secure them with M310s. Okay? Actually, it seems like it's still PETG like mine. There you go, interesting. Never heard of PETG before. Then a second pair of rival holders and secure them with their 310 screws on the rear plate with a shorter extrusion. Tighten both screws equally, but not completely. We'll tighten them fully later on. Okay, insert them 310 screws on the holes in each rear holder and tighten it. Yeah. Goodness. Okay. Oh, this is starting to be heavy. How do I know I'm aligned properly? Like this? Feels like it. Okay. This is starting to look really nice though. I love how robust it looks. Oh, are you not screwing in right now? Yep, doesn't look like it. That one is screwed in, but doesn't work. What's happening, my guy? They're supposed to work. Please. I can try one more time. Okay. I'm in. No. No, it does not work. Why is that? Goodness. Let's be really careful. Yes, it does screw in. Okay. I thought I put the nuts in on the wrong side or something. But no, those are supposed to be symmetrical. So, yeah, wasn't supposed to have an issue in the first place. You didn't see nothing, okay? You didn't see anything. Okay. Sounds good, but I would crank it 1 or 2 notch, the music, the volume. Came it a bit. Yeah, actually, like, you're not supposed to hear it. Like, this music that I'm putting in the background is just so that I have something to listen to. You're not supposed to hear anything. Would you prefer for me to put music on, actually? Because if you would like to, I can put actual, like, Spotify in the background. But yeah, the music you are hearing right now is from my speakers into my mic. Oh my God, please. This is not screwing in. Why is that? Okay, this is really frustrating right now. Oh, does it work? No. Goodness. Okay, you do not want to align. Okay, you want music? Let's put on some music. So normally I can add a source like that. Audio output, existing one. Okay. So now you're supposed to hear music in the background. Tell me if you hear it. Might even be too loud. I don't know. Tell me. Is it engaging with the nut? Yeah, just test it like outside of the actual frame. But like one time it is the other one that doesn't work, and this time it's that one. So I guess I'm just going to take both out and just like tighten them one at a time. So. Okay, let me try like another one just to test. Like if it's just like. Okay, so that one, does it engage? No, it doesn't either. Okay, now I'm getting tired of this. I'm going to try every single screw. A bit more music, with pleasure. There you go. Is that better? Okay, let me take this out, and let me take you out. Boom. You did perfect at first. But the screws are the music. Okay. So, let me try again. First of all, visually. Is this a correct screw? Yes, I triple checked, like literally triple checked. Want me to quadruple check? Can do. Is it the right screw? Yeah, M310s. Are they asking for M310s? Yes, they are. So let's try outside of the housing. So, screw number one. Does not engage. Perfect. The screws are all wrong. No, they are not. Oh my god. Stop. Bullying me. Okay, it's not perfectly aligned, but it should be all right. Let me try to realign them. So you come out. This is perfectly aligned now. Was this the issue? Let's try. It bites. Okay, so this was the issue. It was just not perfectly aligned. So I'm going to do that with every single one. I'm going to double check. So that one now works. Let's try. Yeah, we're going to try for every single one now. Does this bite? Yes, it does. Goodness. Next. Yep, not perfectly aligned. Yeah. This needs to be the issue. This is so meticulous. Didn't think it would be that crazy. then they cannot be more aligned, and that one too. Okay? The other side can be better, can be better. Yeah, both can be better. So let's just do a better job. Putting lubricant all over my fingers again. Yeah, that one can be better. Okay, one and two. Yeah, they were too deep. And for that one, same thing. Yep, the second one is too deep. Okay. Now we should be good. And finally, okay. So let's go back here. Double bearing on the left. And please, please make this work. Please. First screw. It's working. It's working. So it was only the first screw though. Second screw. Oh. It doesn't work. Doesn't work. Can I just like force it through though, please? Can you tell me I can just do that? Is it going well? This is your answer. Bah ouais, je tourne dans le vide. Ah putain, on peut plus. Okay. New plan. This is going to be a boring plan. Let's retry everything outside of the housing. Do I look like I want to die yet? I would say yes. Visually, cannot be more aligned. Literally cannot be more aligned. So set of screws number one. And it works. It works. It just works. Screws number two. And it works. Number three. It's a yes. Oh, it works and it works perfectly. Number four. Yes, it works. Yes, it works. Number 5. Oh my god, my back. Ugh. Number 5 works wonders. I guess it's the alignment of the aluminium frame that is like a little bit thick. So it needs to be both aligned with the screw itself and the alignment. Will you check if the housing is the correct length to get to the nut? Oh, okay. No, actually it is, because like when I am pressing through both the holder and the frame, I can see that a little bit of it like is still out, and even when I press through, like I can feel the nut at the very tip of my screw. But I guess like it's just a problem of alignment. Could those plastic parts be flipped? No, because it works outside of the housing, and they said that the orientation didn't matter because they are symmetrical. But now I am seeing something though as well. Wait. I missed a step. So not related to my problem though. It's just there is another slot for those that I'm just going to press through right now to allow me to then put another screw on top of the thing. Oh my god, almost fell. Could this plastic part be flipped? To answer your question, Felix, I don't think so. And I just double checked. Yeah, they say it is. Yep, that just happened. Oh, lucky he was next to my feet. Okay. Fuck me. I'm really close to use a hammer. I am so close. Oh, yes. Okay. So that one doesn't work. Too bad. The other one. Felix, please don't laugh. I use the pliers method. Please don't break. Oh! Amazing. There'd be good content with the hammer. It would be amazing content. Would it be good content for my bank account though? Don't think so. Don't think so. I feel sticky. You know what I mean? Like I smell like WD-40. No. No. Stay here. Stay here. My god, the butterfingers. Can you stop? Oh my god. I'm exhausted. They said that this method was okay. It feels so wrong though, but it works wonders. Wonderful. Okay. it feels like I'm gonna break something with this method, but it's literally written inside the manual. It feels so wrong. I guess I am underestimating the strength of 3D printed parts. Can you just go in? No, you won't? Okay. Oh, goodness. I don't like that. My God. Is this aligned? No. Perfect. Next. Perfect. I feel like I'm gonna sleep 50 hours going to bed tonight. You're not that strong yet. Come on. Stop bullying me. This is the only thing you've been doing for the past hour. Aren't you supposed to work, by the way? Oh, did I say that? Okay. And I needed to put one last set of screws in there to try if it was aligned. Does it work? Yes, it does, and it does wonderfully. And the last one that I see right there. No invocation, hit a bully. Okay. I can only shut up, I guess, at the moment. So, this one is supposed to go in because the screws are working. I'm going to put lambic on my shirt. I can feel it. Okay, so I'm just going to push this in and push this in. And same thing over there. Until something amazing happens. So, double bearings here. Unscrew those. I'm gonna break something. Can feel it. One. I'm just going to take them all out. Now that I verify that it should work, I will only force through and be patient. You've been streaming for 2 hours, almost 3 hours. Goodness gracious me. I'm gonna have nightmares of this. Boom. Finally, that one. I am closely approaching madness. Can promise you that. My God, I'm shaking. The part that is the most scary yet is the electronic aspect of things. Like, I took a look at a few pictures, and oh my god, the nightmare. My god. Okay. Please let it be the last one I install the Y-axis carrier on this machine. So double barrel on the left should be like this. First set of screws, there we go. Okay, let's align those. Are we aligned? Ah. We are perfectly aligned. There is no way this is not going to work. Okay, I can see the light through it. Please. First screw fits perfectly. Second screw. There is no way. There is no way. It's just perfect. Please. I will come back to you. How about you? Same thing, looks perfectly aligned. Looks like it. If you feel like you have bent the rod, don't just loosen the bearings a bit. No, the rod doesn't feel bent. Well, now that you mention it, this movement doesn't feel right. There you go. Engages perfectly. Next one. Engages perfectly too. Okay, for the moment I have only one screw that's screwed up. Don't judge, I'm tired. I will rephrase a bit. Please do. Okay, second to last screw, perfect. Last screw. Perfect too. Okay, so only one screw is remaining. And it's this one over here. Please. Is this a screw issue? Like, this screw doesn't work? There's no way. Let's try another one. Again, perfectly aligned. Oh my god, it works. Oh my god, yes. If the rod does not align, loosen the bearings. Thanks, Felix. But the rod did align, and we finally managed to make it. Okay, and they said not to tighten completely. We're going to do that. Untighten those. No, not wrong screw. I promise. This is the exact same one, but the thread at the very end seems to be like a little bit, I don't know, used, and this is why it didn't work. This is what we have now. Oh. Okay. It's almost 6. My meeting will be really soon. I think I will end stream now. And I think I will be finishing step 1 off stream. Oh my god. 3 hours. Feels smooth. Yes, it does feel smooth. It feels smooth enough. I mean, look at that. 3 hours of my life. Right there. My god. For anyone left on the stream, thanks for tuning in. Again, this will be a multi-day process. You will know every time I will be working on that one. Oh my god. It's a mess around here. You did so great. Well, I did. So great is a big word. I just did today. It should fall by itself if you tilt the printer. Let's see. There you go. Happy? Got a good test? Yeah, it was it was long, but we did some progress, which is the most important thing. Again, I think I will be finishing this first step off stream. I will take that back tomorrow afternoon, just like today, I think. And other than that, everyone, please enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you very much for tuning in. And I guess I see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.